Let's see how to reconfigure a TUO Wi-Fi Batteria experiencing connection issues with a local Wi-Fi network using an Android device. When the Wi-Fi connection symbol on the device display flashes and the text LAN appears at the top of the display, usually caused by replacing the home router after changing internet provider, and therefore changing the Wi-Fi network, the device must be reconfigured as if it were a new device. Press and hold the hand and set buttons simultaneously until ConfNet mode is activated. Open the Clima Vemer application on the phone. Perform a new thermostat configuration without deleting the existing one from the application. At the end of the guided procedure, the app will notify that the device already exists. Wait until the Wi-Fi icon on the thermostat becomes steady, then select Configure New Device in the application. Select the most appropriate room to identify the thermostat from the proposed options. Then select the model TUO Wi-Fi Batteria from the list. Confirm that the device to configure is battery-powered. Then press Next. Press Search Networks on the next page of the application and open the system Wi-Fi settings. Find and select the network IWM to connect to the device. Return to the Clima Vemer application. If the smartphone notifies that the selected network has no internet access, confirm that you want to remain connected to the network. Press Next. The phone icon will appear on the thermostat display to confirm data exchange between the smartphone and the thermostat. Choose from the list shown the Wi-Fi network to which the device must connect, then enter the corresponding password. Type all characters exactly, then press Next. Verify that the Prague icon appears on the thermostat display, confirming data exchange between the smartphone and the device. The thermostat will restart. A notification will appear on the smartphone indicating that the thermostat already exists in the list of configured devices. After the restart completes, the thermostat connects to the new home network. The Wi-Fi connection symbol stops flashing and the device resumes normal operation.